Hey friends, it's Jenna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a huge grandma thrift haul unboxing. So if you're new here, if you're not familiar, my grandma lives up in New York City and she loves to go sourcing. She's an amazing thrifter and she finds some really cool pieces and she sends me stuff to sell over on Poshmark. So I have this huge box of goodies right here and I can't wait to open it up and see what's inside. So let's just get into it. The box is open. I'm gonna pull out the piece that is on top, which it looks like it is a sweater. And it's a gray kind of open knit sweater. It feels like really good quality and it is a really good brand. It is Helmut Lang, which is a nice designer brand. And I think that's the perfect kind of piece for the time right now. Definitely starting to sell more sweaters, so that's a great find by Grandma. And then we have a plaid top. I always love selling plaid. It's just one of those things that really never goes out of style. And this is a plaid button down and it's by Soft Joie. Soft Joie, it's a size extra small and it's just a really nice blue plaid with the high-low hem at the bottom. I see another plaid shirt after that one. This one feels a little bit more like a flannel. The other one was kind of lightweight. And again, it's just a plaid button down top and it has the high-low bottom. It's actually the exact same brand and it's an extra small. So again, it's Soft Joie, extra small. You might have found those at the same place. They might have been donated by the same person, but I really like the color combo on this one as well. It's like a blush color. Next up, it feels like a jacket and we have a navy blue, almost bomber jacket. So it's like a dark bomber jacket and then, oh wow, it says Soul Cycle on the sleeve. So if you guys have been watching my grandma hauls, you know she loves picking up Soul Cycle stuff. I always talk about how exercise class stuff does well because people just like rocking the gear. Ooh, and the back of this is really nice too. It has the Soul Cycle logo on it and it is a size medium. This is a women's size medium and there is the tag. Okay, the next piece, I see some animal print, and when I was at Posh Fest last week, there was so much animal print. Leopard was really, really big, so I think this is perfectly on trend right now. It's actually a silk dress, and it's by Equipment. So it is an Equipment shift dress. It is the size medium, just a gray animal print. This is a classic piece. This probably cost a couple $100 retail. I think this is gonna do really well over on Poshmark, so I love that find for sure. Another plaid top, and this one's more of like a lightweight cottony kind of linen material. It is by Free People. So it's a Free People size small plaid shirt and it's just like a little bit shorter of a length, oversized fit, just kind of a classic Free People piece. And then next up we have another top. This top is a striped button-down shirt. It is pretty oversized. Ooh, and then it's got this embroidery on the sleeves. That's a really nice detail and it is by Johnny Was. I'm actually not as familiar with this Johnny Was label. It says for jackets and tops. It might be a little older of a label, but it still looks great. It's a size medium and yeah, I think that piece will do well. I see an accessory. She finds accessories occasionally, but she mainly sticks to clothing. And this is a really cool wallet. It is Kate Spade. So if you can see on there, Kate Spade. And then it also has this cool tassel detail. I'm gonna open this up. And it's really nice and clean inside. That's a key when you're looking at like wallets and things that people use often. You want to make sure it's clean and not, you know, stretched out or anything. And I really like how this one's kind of like a distressed pewter finish almost. It's kind of metallic but kind of not, so I really like that a lot. If I needed a wallet, I would keep that one because that one's pretty cool actually. Okay, a huge sweater with a faux fur collar, it looks like. So we've got this cardigan and it's got kind of an Aztec tribal print on it. I'm gonna try and hold it open so you can see. So yeah, it's got this like purple, black, gray print and then it's got this huge faux fur collar. And it is by Topshop. So there you can see it is by Topshop and it is a US size 8. I think the really unique pieces do well, so I like that she picked this one up, especially because obviously right now people are really looking for sweaters. I've seen a lot of faux fur out there, so I think that will do well also. So yeah, I do like that piece a lot. see a t-shirt, a graphic tee, which you never can go wrong with a graphic tee. I love those. And this one is Black Sabbath. That's pretty cool. It's by Winterland. I don't know that brand. I don't think this is an anything brand. So yeah, Winterland, it's an adult size large. Got this really cool graphic on the back though. And I don't know, I really like that style a lot. And I just think that's a cool kind of oversized graphic band tee. Okay, another plaid shirt. She's on a roll with the plaid shirts, which they've actually been selling a lot. And I saw one of my friends on Instagram post that she's been selling a lot of plaid shirts too. So I know people are out there looking for them. And this one's kind of a flannel material, so it's a little bit thicker, and it's green and navy, and it is by Rails. So this one is a Rails size large. Rails does really well on Poshmark, maybe 50 or 60 on that one. I think that's a great find. This next piece, I already see the Soul Cycle logo on it. So it is a graphic t-shirt. It says Soul on the front with the logo. And this one, let's see, it is a size small. It might be a men's. So this style, it does look like a men's style, although I don't know, it's a little bit narrow, so maybe it's like unisex fit on that style. Ooh, I like this next tee a lot. This next band tee is Tom Petty, and it's really cool. It is from the Strange Behavior tour, and it's just really nice quality black t-shirt. It's a size extra large. Will go perfectly with the type of stuff I list in my closet. She knows I love band tees. If you look through my closet, my Poshmark closet, you'll see I have a ton listed. I've sold a lot, so it's good. She can definitely tell like what types of things I'm listing, what types of things are selling, and I think it helps her in her sourcing decisions. Okay, we have some overalls. Overall shorts. So these are some really distressed overall shorts, and they're like a light pink color. I don't know if it's gonna show up on camera. It's pretty pale pink, lots of distressing, and these are by Topshop. So they are Topshop size 4. Even though it's not really the season for overalls, I definitely will still list these because they could still sell. Obviously, it's not too cold everywhere, and overalls are still really popular, so I'm gonna get those listed. We have a pair of workout crops, workout capri leggings, and they are white, which I actually don't think I've ever found white before. They're white Lululemon, so that's a good find by Grandma, and they are a size 8. And it's really cool because they have these mesh panels down on the bottom, and they look like they're in excellent condition. I don't see any kind of like wear on them at all. So really good find, especially I feel like people will like white. Another pair of workout leggings, and this is a really cool blue printed pair. They have some ruching on the bottom, they have pockets on the sides, and this one, these are by Lululemon as well. So these are a Lululemon size 8. They also have a zip pocket on the back, which is really nice, but I think the printed Lulu leggings will go for quite a bit. Usually I start these around $65 unless they are a more rare style. The next thing is a Lululemon workout tank. I think she's found this exact one before or something very similar. It's the kind that's high in the front, so it's got this high neck, and then the back has a little scoop, and it has the Lulu logo. And the size on these is normally on the inside, and this one is a size 6. More activewear. I swear, she finds the most activewear in the city. I never find that much down here in the South, but she finds quite a bit of Lulu. And this is another Lululemon piece. This is the back. It's a pleated skirt, so you can see the front, and it has the built-in shorts, so it's good for running. Ooh, and it actually still has the inside tag too. This one is a size 4 regular. Got another little workout tank, and I really like the print on this one. It looks almost like a pink and green camouflage print. That's pretty cool. So this one is also Lulu. And then right under it, I see another one. I also like this print a lot. So these are super cool patterns. These are just quick flips, usually like $20 to $25 on these. And it's just that similar racerback style with the logo and a cool photo floral print. And this next workout tank, again, Lululemon in a bright pink color. And this one's a lighter weight material, so it's just kind of a loose fit layering tank. The logo on the back right there. Okay, I think we're on to a lot more bottoms. I see some jeans in there as well, which I'm loving selling denim right now. This is another pair of Lululemon workout crops, and These are just pretty plain black. I think these might be called the speed tights. I'm gonna have to look up the style. And I've mentioned this in videos before, but I usually look for the Lululemon styles on lulufanatics.com. There's a listing of like every type of Lululemon piece they ever made, and then these just have obviously the little logo on the bottom, and then the size is a 10, so that's a good size. Okay, a pair of jeans, and these are Paige jeans. They're Paige size 28, which I don't always pick up Paige jeans. I do really like these because they have this like released, it's not really released, it's like a cropped frayed hem, so I'm sure she's seen I've been listing a lot of styles like that lately. But yeah, they're just a skinny jean with the raw edge, and Paige does do well, but it doesn't sell for as much as some other denim brands, so this is a good just staple piece though. I think those sell pretty quickly. Okay, another pair of workout pants, and these are some gray, I don't know what to describe these as. They're almost like a baggy jogger. I guess they are a jogger because they have the cuff on the bottom. I see the logo on the back side. They're Lululemon, and these, let's see if there's a size in them. I'm just looking in the pocket to see if there is a size, and there is inside the zippered side pocket. They're a size 8. So these are actually a pretty cool style. I think that's a great just like everyday casual athleisure kind of look, so those will do well for sure. Athleisure and athletic stuff is still doing really well on Poshmark. I will say the tank tops don't sell for as much as they used to, especially Lululemon. However, the pants go pretty quickly, and this is a tank top. It's again that like high neck style, which I think is really flattering. I believe this one's Lululemon. There's no inside tag. Yeah, it does have the logo. So again, just a great basic Lululemon tank. That would be really cute with the joggers before. That would be a cute outfit. Okay, I see more overalls. So she's been finding a lot of overalls, I guess. So first we have the pink ones, and then this is actually an overall dress. So I sold a couple like this recently, and they went pretty quickly. And this one is, it's also Topshop, like the shorts overalls we saw before. So this is a size 6 from Topshop. And what's cool about this pair is the back has this like lower style. So that would look really cute almost with a graphic tee, I think too. Getting down to the bottom of the box, we have a couple things left. And this next item is a really nice jacket. This great blue color. It's an athletic jacket. And on the back you can see Lululemon logo. I swear I say this every time too, but my grandma's like the queen of Lululemon. I swear she's a magnet for it. And this one's a size 6. So size 6 on this one. And that's in excellent condition. It honestly looks brand new in a great color. Another Lululemon jacket. This one is actually a hoodie. So I think this is the sweatshirt style. It's just a gray hoodie. It's got these, I don't know, kind of cool seams on the sleeves. Here's the back of it. And then of course it has the thumb holes in the cuffs, which are really nice. So not 100% sure what size this one is. I'll definitely have to measure and look it up a little bit more. It's got the embroidery on the hood up here. But yeah, that's a great quality, just charcoal gray hoodie. I kind of want to keep that for myself, but I'll probably list it. The next thing we have is another tank top, another Lululemon tank, and this one actually has the tag in it still, and it's a size 12, so that's great. Always love a good tank top. And then this is the last thing in the box, is one more Lululemon tank, and I really like the color on this one. This is a beautiful hunter green color, and it's just kind of a simple scoop front and scoop back. And I think this one, let's see what size it is. Okay, and this one is a size 8. That is it for this box from Grandma. Once again, Grandma killed it. I absolutely love everything she sent, and I think my favorite piece, I actually have 2 favorite pieces. I really like the Equipment leopard shift dress, the silk one. I think that's a beautiful piece, really great quality. And I also really like the Topshop black denim overall dress. I just think there's a bunch of cool ways that you could style it. So those are my 2 favorite pieces. pieces. Let me know down in the comments below what your favorite piece was that Grandma found. And I'm gonna be getting everything listed over on my Poshmark closet ASAP, so I have that link down in the description box. I'm also Empty Hanger over on Poshmark if you want to check out any of these items, see what prices I list them for or what they look like in my closet. And yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed to my channel already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!